What's going on, man? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy T right here, and man, you already seen the opening intro. Yes, we have the Jordan 13s right now. I know they released, I believe, on the 18th, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just pull my cheat sheet up. If I'm not mistaken. Yep, I am absolutely right. They released on the 18th, right? All right, so we got our hands on a pair, but guess what? We had some shipping issues. So I literally just got my pair like on the weekend, right? I was gonna put a video out earlier, but I just couldn't get around to doing it. I was doing a lot of other things at the moment. But yo, y'all already know, once I get a sneaker, I know it's already out, but I got to bring it to you as well. All right, so first thing first, let's just jump into this packaging, because you know what? I tell you what, UPS, FedEx, all of them, they don't care how they package this stuff up, man. Just look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this right here. Look, man. Look, man, they don't care, man. Just like they just took it and punted it right on the porch. Like, here you go, boom, here's your package. All right, yo, so we'll check it out. We got the Jordan 13s right here, right? We got the Obsidian Jordans in our hands, finally. And you know, it's a little, I know I'm moving around, please bear with me. Alright, so it's just like a small story for me behind this. Alright, so out of all the Jordans that ever came out, listen, Jordan 13s by far was my favorite. Funny thing about it is, never had a pair. So these literally are my first pair. They hot. They are literally hot. Oh, I'm about to drop it. They are hot, man. Like I said, my first pair. I would love to have some black and red ones, but I seen the Obsidians was coming out, and again, like I tell my wife, like, man, never had a pair. And the reason behind it is, like I said, back in the days when I was younger, a young buck, you know, we couldn't afford that kind of stuff around my time. I couldn't afford that, man. Brother was broke. You know what I mean? But as I got older, I could have had pairs of them. Just, it wasn't first priority. But now, you know, hey, I can get some now, you know what I mean? All right, so yo, we got the Obsidian Jordan 13s, man, and like I said, they hot, man. I like them. Like I said, it's always been my favorite pair. Definitely liking the white texture, the white leather, especially the little pin. I call them the pin bumps. The like they, you know, I definitely like them. The navy blue with the powdered blue bottom, like this is that joint. These are that joint, man. Definitely love these pair of shoes, man. They are hot, man. They are hot. I'm looking to probably get a collection of these, man. I'm definitely thinking about getting a collection of these. Go and get all the colors, all of them. I can see myself with all of them. I'm gonna try to see if I can butter my wife up for that, you know what I mean? But yeah, definitely had to bring a video to these right here. Again, man, Jordan 13s, Obsidians. If you got a pair, hey man, big ups to you. But again, man, take a look at the white finish, man. The white, man, the navy blue trimming, the powdered blue bottom. Got the navy tone with the Jordan, with the powdered blue Jordan jump, man. Oh, I'm pumped up about it. I'm hot. I'm hot for these. I like it. Also, you got the powder blue Jumpman in the inside of the sneaker, man. And of course, man, you already know, man, we ready to rock them, man. We're ready to go ahead and put these bad boys on. And you know, my first pair, man, like I said, it's just, hey, I'm blessed to be able to get the sneakers I want now. So yeah, man, I can't complain at all. But all in all, again, yo, man, like I said, Jordan 13s, Obsidians, right now in my hands. Again, finally got them. took forever to come in the mail, but we got them. And yeah, man, love and blessings to all my sneakerheads, man. Big ups to everybody that's been supporting the channel. I, again, truly appreciate everybody, man. The sneaker family, also the gaming family. Man, hey, yo, man, just trust me, man. We much love here, man. Much love here. Okay, all in all, let me hush up. Let's jump into some of these on foot shots. And yeah, man, again, man, love and blessings. I will definitely see you all on the next one. Be on the lookout for more sneakers, because we got them coming. All right.